Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful and cold day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Look, today I have a 2021 Ford F-250 Super Crew King Ranch. This thing is gorgeous. It's a 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel engine. It is loaded with features. I'm going to start off here on the door. You have power locks and windows and mirrors. Mirrors have blind spot monitoring. You have memory seats. Come inside here to this gorgeous King Ranch leather interior. You have a panoramic sunroof. You have a 360 camera system. Shows you all around the camera. All around cameras. Let's see, you come down here. You have heated and vented seats. Here's your climate control with dual climate. It doesn't pop up in the camera button, but you do have a backup camera itself. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Built-in navigation. Of course, heated steering wheel. I already have it on because it's cold. Come over here. You have adaptive cruise control. And this is your setting for your gap adjustment. You see it down there at the very bottom. It's blinking, but you'll see it down there. There we go, it stopped. See it down there. This 2021 does have 38,952 miles, but you still have the remaining factory warranty with it. So no worries there, it does come with warranty. You have your volume and menu settings, Bluetooth. Over here, here's your light settings, your tailgate down, because it does have a hands-free tailgate, and remote start. Here's your adjustable pedals. These Super Crews have a lot of room. They are nice. Come back here and you have a roll and lock flat bed cover. Hands-free tailgate, and it does have the little step out. Push that button, pull it out. This thing is nice, and with the mileage it has, I mean, it still has a long life left, and of course that factory warranty, so that's always nice. This thing will not last long, I promise you. We go through a lot of F-250s whenever we get them in on trade and they get another heavy duty from us, and it's very popular. The engine is a good, reliable engine. So my number's down in the description. If you wait till the end of the video, you'll see our other forms of contact, a website, our social media links. Go to those. Keep an eye on our inventory because it is constantly changing. So just keep an eye on our social media links on our website, and you'll see our updated list. And yeah, call, text me, let's talk numbers, let's make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.